Hi, today we will learn about comparing numbers up to 1000. What is comparing? To compare means to know if one number is the same as or smaller than or bigger than another number. How do we compare numbers? To compare numbers, we can partition the numbers. For example, there are two numbers 327 and 259. So here, first we will partition 327 into 3 hundreds, 2 tens and 7 ones. Similarly, we will partition the number 259, 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 9 ones. We will start the comparing from highest value column, that is from left hand side. So 327 has 3 hundreds and 259 has 2 hundreds. So 327 is bigger than 259 because 3 is bigger than 2. What if the hundreds are same? If the hundreds are same, we will compare the next value column, that is tens. For example, there are two numbers 567 and 583. So, by 567, we have 5 hundreds, 6 tens and 7 ones. By partitioning 583, we will get 5 hundreds, 8 tens and 3 ones. Now, 567 and 583 have 5 hundreds each, so we will look at the tens digits now. 566 has 6 tens and 583 has 8 tens. So, 567 is smaller than 583 as 6 is smaller than 8. Now, we will compare numbers using a number line. We can also use number lines to compare two numbers. For example, two numbers 225 and 231 are shown on the number line. The number on the right side of the number line is always bigger than the number on the left side, and which means that 231 is bigger than 225. Also, we use three symbols to compare the numbers. Greater than sign. When the first number is greater than another, we use the greater than sign. For example, 7 is greater than 3, 15 is greater than 12. Then it comes smaller than sign. When the first number is smaller than the another, we use the smaller than sign. For example, 6 is less than 8 and 22 is less than 25. Equal to sign. When the two numbers are same, we use equal to sign. 10 is equal to 10, 41 is equal to 41. The easiest way to remember these signs is to remember that open side of the sign towards the bigger number and closed side of the sign is towards the smaller number.